This creamy garlic beef mushroom is so delicious. It can be served with rice, pasta, vegetables, or whatever you fancy. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is creamy garlic beef mushroom. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my creamy garlic beef mushroom. Beef, garlic, beef stock, mushroom, coconut cream, ground black pepper, parsley flakes, salt, and cooking oil. Now let's brown off the beef. Let's start cooking. Into a hot pan, add the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the beef. We brown off the beef for a minute. Now let's turn the beef over. Okay, at this point, add the garlic and saute and mix it up. Add the ground black pepper, salt, mix. And at this point, we can add the coconut cream. Mix it up. It smells absolutely gorgeous. At this point, we can add the beef stock. Mix thoroughly until the beef stock dissolves. Cover and bring to boil and simmer on a low heat. After 30 minutes of simmering on a low heat, let's add the mushroom. Give everything a stir. Cover and simmer. After an hour of cooking, it is now ready. Garnish your creamy garlic beef mushroom with parsley flakes. Now let's taste it. Delicious. Try it. This creamy garlic beef mushroom is so delicious. It can be served with rice, pasta, vegetables, potatoes, or whatever you fancy. Try it! I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon!